Hello everyone, welcome back to the forexboat.com channel. Victor with you here, and today we will be looking at the gold, where we have some upside potential. Before we start, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is just for educational purpose and should not be considered as a financial advice. Before we start with the gold, let's move back to our previous ideas, which was Australian Japanese yen and euro versus Great British pound. Australian Japanese yen, our stop loss, hard stop loss 7705 for those who decided to enter the trade and didn't wait for the safe entry on the breakout below this support. Overall, still expecting very sharp decline, still 400 pips overall downside target. Australian Japanese yen still will be going down, and as I said, with multiple Australian dollar pairs. Back to the euro GBP, which was the idea on this Friday. We had an idea to actually catch this pullback for the potential rally to the upside. So the entry would have been near this red line, which is 0.8910. So far in the small profit. And yes, this idea is valid. You can see that price has reached and rejected yet again 200 exponential moving average. Previously there was another bounce. What we can expect still, guys, there are still risks that there will be produced a spike below this level. It would be quite reasonable to kick out the stop losses. For this reason, the stop loss is based that low, but still with even this stop loss, we're meeting 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is just perfect for this trade setup. But on the safe side, if you want to have the best entry possible, it would be obviously on potential break below, then wait for the daily close and make sure it will be above. Same could be done with a 4-hour candle. It actually would be best because this is 4-hour chart and we have this bounce on the 4-hour chart. So break on the 4-hour chart below, and then if price failed to close below this level, this would be even better entry. But at the same time, price might be going up without such a price drop. Okay, so back to the gold. What we have on gold, guys, is basically a consolidation, the beginning of the consolidational phase. You can see that it has started on April and it's been going for a couple of months now. I have applied Fibonacci retracement level to this wave down. I moved to the 4-hour chart. This is because there was a break above the 200 exponential and simple moving averages, so I got this corrective wave and applied Fips. So we have two levels here, important levels to watch. First is 161.8 Fips at 1682, and second is 261.8 Fips at 1755. And these are current support and resistance areas, supply and demand. And because we are in this consolidation zone, there can be some spikes up and down. But overall, I would expect gold eventually to test this resistance level. Okay, we see now this uptrend trend line, the average price trend line. We had this rejection here. At the same time, price is very close to 161.8 Fips. Actually, on the daily close, it failed to close below. So we're still holding this level. But the key support is at this price. Moving back to the daily chart, you can see that 161.8 Fips acting now as a support. There was a spikes, multiple spikes below, and this is the lowest point of this spike. And what could happen is that price will spike down to go below this low, although I don't think it will ever test this low, 1658. It should first reach the target before, and if it goes below this level. So that's the reason for this stop loss, and we are getting 2-to-1 risk-free ratio with this kind of stop loss. So we can see clear range trading and yet again expecting the uptrend. Well, not the uptrend, at least this corrective wave up. For now, it's a range trading. If there will be a break above this level, there probably will be uptrend will be confirmed. Now back to the 4-hour chart. This is the scenario that can happen. Basically, price can go straight from this point to the upside, not stopping. But I think there will be a potential stop loss kick out move where price will go slightly below this level, and this will be the best entry possible if price will be below this low. So ideally to look for buying opportunity at 1666.70 area approximately for this potential move, and the lower you can get it, the better risk to reward ratio there will be. So this is potential scenario, and we can also see this downtrend trend line. It's being rejected, although it was broken previously. Now it's being rejected. So this is the reason why I could expect this sort of move. And besides, we're trading here below both moving averages. So yeah, there can be another wave. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this idea for the gold. I definitely think the opportunity should be there within 24 hours, producing the best possible entry price. For now, probably it is better to wait and see for some pullback and then look for this ideal buying opportunity. All right, thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to smash the like button and obviously subscribe to our channel to follow our next trade idea. Thanks for watching. Till next time.